How was your day, honey?
It was good.
Was it? That's good.
Taylor, we're breaking up.
No, no.
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
You can't. Wait. You can't.
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah.
Don't shut the door.
You guys like my new girlfriend?
Taylor, it's not a girl.
Yes, it is.
It's a lion.
No, it's a girl.
It's not even real.
Yeah, it is.
Denial is a defense mechanism that was postulated by Sigmund Freud, and it comes along when a person is faced with a fact that's too uncomfortable for them to deal with at the time, and they reject it instead, insisting that it's not the truth, even if the evidence against it is overwhelming. It can be caused by stressful events, and some people even deny that they have denial. An example would be a man hears that his wife has been killed, but refuses to believe it, still sets her dinner and makes her bed, gets her clothes out every morning.
Okay. No, come back. You're leaving again. Oh, no.